Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickey Mix and today I will do an unboxing of the Seasons Greetings 2021 by BTS. Yeah, I know it's already February as you watch this one, but I'm from the Philippines, so it's quite late. And they have a retro concept and look at them. Kyota. So this is the box, the sturdy box. Let's start unboxing. There's a record player inside. So good looking in this concept. Of course, especially this one, Jin, who broke the internet that day. Lover Sunshine, Jimin, Taeyong, and of course JK. I love that one. Let's see what else is in here. Here's the calendar. So that's calendar. I'll show some of the things first because I might do the scanning in a different day. I think this is the magazine, the photo book, and the DVD. Oh, cute. This is the diary or journal, diary planner. And oh, I got Yoongi. Yay! I got Yoongi. It's the first time to get him. This is the our photo album for the photo cards. Let's open that one later. Here's a retro washi tape. Not sure what this is. Maybe the ID photos. Wait, I'll show the others one. Oh, this is the ID photos. RM, Shuka, Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. Photo card edition. Shuka, RJ, no, Jin, Obi, Jimin, Rayong, and Maknae, JK, Jungkooki. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can because it's getting noisier again. Okay, so these are sticker packs. This is for RM, Shuga, Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. They know us well. They know us very well. This is a desk calendar. So that will have a nice 2021. Oh, so here are the dates and the photos are here. Ooh, so there's no specific one for a month. You can change it. Oh, Jungkook, Biho,